Namaskar. Sometimes evening can be a bit restless after a long day of work. The mind is still racing and the body feels tired. It's very important to slow down gently and mindfulness. So let's start with a simple face massage. Yogendra Kapalrandhradhouti, a gentle facial cleansing practice. Starting position, stand with the spine straight, head erect. Take a few normal breaths and relax. Place the thumb above the end of the eyebrow, not at the temple. Using all the fingers, massage the forehead. Move them horizontally from one side to the other. Ensure a deep but moderate pressure throughout this practice. Now take your first finger and middle finger, placing at the bridge of the nose, near the inner eye and near the beginning of the eye. Move your finger around towards the temple. Do not give pressure on the temple. Rub the index finger and the middle finger from in outside back of your ear. Do it couple of the times from back to front. Practice daily 3 to 5 rounds per session. This can be practiced safely by all. There are no limitations. This Kriya will drain your sinus and release you from minor headaches, which you may have after a long day of hard work. It will also make you feel energized and relieve fatigue. Next, stretch your body. In Talasana, you will let go any minor discomfort you may be feeling. Stand erect with the hands at the respective sides. Keep the feet parallel to each other. Maintain 1 foot distance between both. Keep the neck straight, shoulders straight, and abdomen under contour and the chin drawn in. Focus the eye at one point straight ahead. Now, while inhaling, raise both your arms from front upwards and simultaneously raise on your toe. Your heels should go as high as possible. Stay in that position for some time and then rotate your arm, palm first and then the arm from back down. Simultaneously see that your feet also are coming down. So here it is neuromuscular coordination. Your hands, your breaths, your legs all simultaneously move up ahead. Staying there for some time, holding the breath for some time. Take a turn, rotate your palm and then your arm from behind in front and slowly come down in the final position. And now relax here. From here, let's move to another asana which is called as Hastapadasana. So here, stand straight, both feet together, both arms on the side. Now while inhaling, raise your both arms from front upwards and bend backwards as much as you can. Stay there for some time and then while exhaling, slowly bring your back into curve and go down. Your arms should be close to your ear and stay in this position for some time. Come up again, inhaling, hands up. Here you don't have to go back. Rotate your arms and bring them down. Now let's sit down and let's do another very calming asana, and that is Yogendra Marjariasana and Bitilasana. So now sit down on the mat and sit in Vajrasana position. It's a combination of 2 asanas, Yogendra Marjari Bitilasana. So now bend forward to take the support of your arm, the forearm on the ground, and then try to adjust your palm in such a way that your fingers are pointing outside. You are taking a proper support of your arm. And now try and breathe in to see that your head goes upwards and your spine is bent down. Spine gives a curve. Look up. Your neck is pulled. Your shoulder is backward bending. Stay in this position. And now go downward and put your head down inwards and your spine going upwards. So spine is moving up and down, curvature along with the movement of your head going up and down. So this is a very beautiful asana. It's a calming asana. This asana reduces stress, it calms the nerves and really relaxes your mind. This is essential in the evening. You should do it every day. Now let's do another asana, which is a relaxing asana, forward bending asana. It is called as Yogendra Shashankasana. Here also you sit in Vajrasana properly. Now spread your both the knees wide as you feel comfortable. Now with the aid of your hands, bring your body forward down to rest on the, here rest your forehead in front of groin. Keep the arms outstretched in front. Relax your forearms while you are resting on the mat. This is so relaxing. Hold this position, breathing normally. This asana reduces tiredness and helps you to sleep better. It will gently release your mental exhaustion. After this asana, let's lie on the back. Lie down on your back. And here we will do Viparitakarani asana. Here lie down straight, both legs together, both arms on the side in a relaxed state. Now first inhale fully and while exhaling, lift your both legs up above the ground and then try and lift your hips above the ground. Take the support of your both arms at the hip joint. Let there be an angle. Your toe and your head should be in the alignment. Stay in that position. Here you are supporting your hips with your arms. Your body is very much restful here. Do an abdominal breathing here. Breathe in, stomach moves up. Breathe out, stomach goes down. This is a static variation. Stay in this position for 1 to 2 minutes. Then slowly come back, your both arms on the ground. Slowly come down without giving any jerk to your back and slowly bring your both legs down. And now relax here. With this asana, you can really regulate blood flow in your body. It is also excellent way to relax tired legs at the end of the day. Now gently come down in a supine position. Now let's do another asana, which is called as Yogendra fish pose asana, that is Matsyasana. It's really a restorative asana. So here fold your legs in Padmasana position or in Sukhasana. Preferably do it in a Padmasana. If you can't do Padmasana, do it in Sukhasana. So fold your legs and now try and relax in this position. Your both arms, palm should be on your knee and try to see that your knees are pressed downwards. Stay for some time in this position where little pressure is given on your knee to see that they are pressed down. Here, after staying for 1 to 2 minutes, then come back to your normal position. This Matsyasana will really relax your back and your hip joints because whole day you are sitting for a long time. So here, this also becomes very essential. You should be doing this regularly. Now, let's move to another asana, which is Yogendra Pawanmuktasana. Here, you lie down supine. Just relax and now keep your feet together, both arms on the respective sides. Here, keep your mind calm and relaxed. In Pawanmuktasana, raise your right leg little bit above the ground and fold your knee, bringing towards your stomach. Hold it with both the arms. See that your knee is pressed on your lower abdomen. Stay in this position for some time. See that your shoulders are relaxed, your stomach is relaxed. You are breathing out and holding this position for some time. And now Inhaling, raise your legs straight and bring it down. Do the same with another leg, lifting little bit, folding, pressing towards your abdomen with the help of clasping your arms together and then releasing your arms, making it straight again and come down. After Pawanmuktasana, just learn to relax totally. Your whole body is touching the ground. Every part of your body is on the ground. Relax and be silent for some time. Now here, try and see your both legs little away from each other, say around 2 feet away, and your both arms, palm facing upwards, away from the body, on the side, all very much straight. Head straight, every muscle of your body should be relaxing, giving all its tension to the ground. Stay in this position for some time. Just relax. Your mind should be on your breathing. Your stomach will automatically move little up and down. While breathing in, stomach moves up, breathing out, stomach moves down. Stay in that position for some time. Don't have to push your stomach. Put your mind on your stomach, on your breath, and relax, and relax, and relax. Now, slowly get up. Turn, bring your legs together, both arms together, and then turn to the side. Take the support of your hand and slowly try and become straight. Get up, sit in Sukhasana. So after all these asanas, Yogendra Bhramari Pranayama is the best pranayama you should do at this time. So here, sit straight, facial muscles totally relaxed. There should be a gentle smile, so no tension on your facial muscles. Breathe in now fully as much as you can, and then hold your breath. And then try and exhale by creating a sound from your throat, like a Bhramari, like a beetle. When beetle moves around flower, the sound which we make, that music which does, that we have to create in our throat. And so, breathe in, hold your breath, and now. This is the way you should be doing it. Your lips should be together. You will feel vibration throughout, on your facial muscles, on your lips, on your head. It really relaxes. So do it again. Breathe in. Hold your breath. And very good, very good. And by finishing your breath, you are automatically exhaling out completely. Your stomach also moves in. You are totally empty. And it really relaxes your whole body. This is very, very safe for everybody. It has a very good impact on your nervous system. It will make your mind meditative and reduce any anxiety. Let's close this yoga session and take the sankalpa inside that with the help of yoga, I am safe and I am peaceful. You see, it's very important to close your day with this short yoga session. It tells your body that fight or flight part is over. It improves melatonin production. It helps you fall asleep naturally. It supports better digestion and hormonal balance. And most importantly, it gives you some time to yourself during the evening or the Vata phase of the day. Your mind may become overactive. Without a calming routine, this would lead to an overthinking, insomnia, and fatigue. Yoga brings this Vata dosha back to the balance. Just 15 to 20 minutes is enough to create this transformation. But remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Even on the busiest day, roll out your mat At the end of the day, still roll your mat, sit calmly, breathe silently, be at peace with yourself. Namaskar.